Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be taking you out to my garden to harvest the last patch of potatoes. So that patch was planted July 31st, around then, and today is December 7, 2025, which means it's been less than 5 months, so 4 months and change. So I'll just go harvest it and I'll take you through the whole thing, and at the end I'll do a review and show you how much was harvested, the weight and the number of potatoes. Stick with me. So thankfully it actually just rained yesterday, so the ground should be very soft. At least it's not eating snow, so it should be easier to handle. Got my gloves now, and just to show you what it looks like before the harvest. It's just a patch. Got a big one. Got another big one. Tiny ones. Ooh, this is very promising considering that they were scraps, literally scraps that were planted. So, oh, nice, very nice, promising sizes. It helps that it rained yesterday because the ground is much easier to manipulate. This is very, very encouraging. Loads. I'm wondering whether I need to use the fork, the garden fork, to try and see if I can get more deeper. The last thing I want is to leave some in the ground. I mean, the worst case scenario is that we'll probably regrow, but it would be nice to be able to get the full harvest without leaving some behind. This looks like one that was left in the previous season, because I know I didn't plant any brown potatoes. They were all red, and as you can see, these are scraps that didn't quite take off. I feel like I need to grab the fork because I don't think I'm digging deep enough with my bare hands. I feel like this must be it. I don't think there's anything left here. Oh, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Also, sometimes you don't give up too soon, right? But there was still some left. Hiding in the corner. Lots of worms. I think it's really done now. So I'll go inside and weigh them. So these are the potatoes here. This is my trusty scale, which I'm going to set to 0. But first of all, I'll count them. Count the potatoes we got. They're a mixture of large and small ones. So 1, so that's 56. What's left here is just sand. So it's time to weigh them. So I found about 5 more. So it's come up to about 63. And I'll just weigh them now. So that's a total weight of 1,265 grams. So that's 1.265 kg. Not bad. That's almost a full bowl. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm quite happy with this outcome. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Please like, subscribe, support the channel so I can bring you more real videos like this, showing what you can do with a little patch outside your house. Bear in mind that this patch was not fertilized with any artificial fertilizers. It was only banana peels, potato peels, just very natural fertilizers, and I was still able to get this outcome in 4 and change months with very minimum input and scraps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.